Hello and welcome to this new video, where we will explain everything you need to know about the check engine message on Fiat vehicles. What does this message mean? The check engine message on Fiat vehicles generally indicates a warning related to the engine or emissions control system. It means that a fault has been detected and is usually accompanied by the illumination of the orange engine warning light on the dashboard. Check engine without loss of power. This means that a fault has been detected, but it is not considered critical in the short term. The engine operates normally, with no performance limitation. You can continue driving without any noticeable symptoms. Check engine with loss of power. The engine control unit detects a malfunction and activates a protection mode called limp mode, which intentionally limits engine performance. Stop the vehicle as soon as possible. Most common causes of the check engine message on Fiat vehicles: a clogged EGR valve, a saturated diesel particulate filter, a faulty engine sensor, an ignition system issue. What diagnostic trouble codes are associated with the check engine message? P010F, mass airflow, MAF, sensor A, B correlation, P0171, system 2 lean, bank 1, P1206, diesel particulate filter, DPF, regeneration issue, P0401, EGR system, insufficient flow detected. Please note that this list is for reference only and is not exhaustive. Fault codes may vary depending on the engine type, model and year. How to diagnose the check engine message? Use an OBD two-car diagnostic scanner. The message displayed on the dashboard does not always provide precise information about the cause of the fault. To identify the issue, you need to read the diagnostic trouble codes stored in the engine control unit. The most reliable method is to use an OBD2 car diagnostic scanner. Visit a professional. If you do not have a diagnostic tool or are unable to interpret the results, it is recommended to consult a professional or visit a Fiat workshop. How to clear the check engine message? Clear the engine fault using an OBD2 car diagnostic scanner. To remove the check engine message on a Fiat, the most reliable solution is to use a car diagnostic scanner. Simply connect the tool to the vehicle's OBD port. Read the stored fault codes, then clear them after identifying and fixing the issue. Reset the check engine message without a scanner. Disconnect the battery. Turn off the ignition, then disconnect the negative battery terminal for 10 to 15 minutes. This may reset the engine control unit. This procedure can clear the message if the fault was temporary. Perform several driving cycles. If the issue that triggered the message is temporary, the warning light may turn off automatically after several trips without any faults. The ECU will then clear the code after multiple drive cycles. Allow the vehicle to fully shut down. On some Fiat models, turning off the ignition, locking the vehicle, and waiting a few minutes allows the electronic system to partially reset. This may be enough to make the message disappear if the issue is temporary. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to our social media channels. See you soon.